In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Ticktick data efficiently in just 5 minutes. Now, whether you're a seasoned Ticktick user or someone who's just starting to explore its features, it's always a good idea to back up your tasks and reminders. Let's get started right away. First, you'll want to navigate to the Ticktick website, which you can access by typing ticktick.com into your browser's address bar. This is your go-to hub for managing tasks, keeping track of your calendar, and staying organized throughout the day. Once the page loads, you'll see the option to sign in at the top right corner of the screen. Click on this sign in button to begin the process. Next, you'll need to choose how you'd like to sign in. For ease and simplicity, select the option to sign in using Google. This is especially handy if you already use Google services frequently. Upon clicking, you'll be prompted to select the Google account you'd like to associate with your Ticktick profile. Choose the account where you manage your schedules and tasks, ensuring this is the correct account to back up. Once logged in, direct your attention to your profile area, usually represented by your avatar or initials at the top right. Click on it and you'll find a drop-down menu with various options. You're going to want to select Settings from this menu. Clicking on Settings gives you access to all kinds of customizations for your Ticktick experience, but for now we're focused on the backup function. Now within the settings, look for an option that says Generate Backup. By clicking here, Ticktick will compile all the important data from your tasks and calendars and create a backup file for you. This file will be saved as a CSV file, a common format that's easy to work with and compatible with various applications. It's a good idea at this stage to choose a familiar location on your computer to save this file, like your Documents folder or desktop, where it will be easy to find later. And just like that, you've backed up your Ticktick data. It's simple steps like these that help ensure your plans, to-dos, and important reminders are securely saved. Keeping a regular backup is a smart strategy, especially if you rely heavily on Ticktick for your daily organization. Well done, and thank you for following along. Keep this backup process in your routine, and you'll always have peace of mind knowing your data is safe and sound.